Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a mobile phone frame to a screen recording video in Capcut Mobile. So here I have this screen recording video and I want to use a frame, a mobile phone frame. So there are two ways that you can do. The first one is that you can easily add animations. Go to combo, and in here find the mobile phone option. So just swipe. There are three options that you can select it in here. Let's find it. Okay, this one, smartphone. This is the smartphone tree. As you guys can see here, there will be this mobile phone frame. You can just select from the option 1 until 3. This is the first one. You can see there will be this frame. Or if you don't want to use the animation, you can just use stickers. So let's go back, and here let's find the stickers option. This one. Just wait and then click on the frame option. Let's find one. This one's right here, and then just find the mobile phone frame under the sticker category. This one. Now click on the check icon. You can adjust the size. Okay, now adjust the duration to match with the clips duration, the screen recording video duration. Then you can just click on the video and fit the size into the frame. So just zoom out like this, and then you can go to the masking, click on the rectangle, adjust the size, and add some rounded edges to make it more natural. Let's see the result. You can always adjust the size again if you want to. Okay, click on the check icon. If you want to change the background, you can go back, click on the background options and choose between color, image, and blur. Here I'm going to just use blur. Click on the check icon, and that's it. So this is the mobile phone frame. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.